how to get Google Play Store on Nintendo Switch. I'm going to tell you how to get the Google Play Store on your Nintendo Switch. First, understand that this isn't an official feature. Installing the Play Store requires modifying your Switch to run Android as a secondary OS. This process involves soft modding via the RCM or recovery mode, exploit and then installing a custom Android ROM like Lineage OS. Once Android is running on your Switch, you can flash compatible Google apps or G apps and access the Play Store just like you would on an Android tablet. After those steps, whenever you boot into the Android environment on your Switch, the Play Store appears as an app. You'll sign in with your Google account and download apps normally. Keep in mind, this voice warranty can break your console and risks Nintendo banning your device for connecting modified firmware. So in short, load custom firmware via RCM, install Android, flash G apps, then you'll have the Play Store support.